How to merge a PDF file into one on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can merge a PDF file in one. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up a browser in your device. And in the search bar, type in merge PDF and search for it. After that, you can head over to the one of the link on your search results. So from here, you can head towards this link that says ilovepdf.com and then open it up. Then you have to select your PDF files. Click on this button right here. Now from your device, select the PDF file that you would like to merge. Now to add more files, click on this plus icon here and you can add next PDF file that you want to merge. And you can add as much as PDF file that you want. Once you're done adding your PDF file, click on Merge PDF at the bottom right corner. Now wait for a while. Then your PDF file will be merged and will be ready to download. So click on Download Merged PDF and here you have the PDF that is merged. If you open it up, you will find all of your PDF merged into a single PDF file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.